Right, this is my Volvo T40, the right-hand drive one, 1989, K-Tronic I think it is, 1990. Changing the fan motor, or blower motor, what you call it. How it works out, it's really a matter of just going all through the centre console, removing that completely, disconnecting all the cables. It does look a bit scary, probably is scary actually, doesn't it? So you can actually then, on a sort of left-hand drive car, it would be, I'd imagine, an easier vehicle because there's none of that stuff on that side, but still on a right-hand drive car, when you're getting the blur out of it, you have to sort of turn it like that, and it goes still into the right hand sort of footwell as the way out. This side is just full of cruddy wires, loads of wires. It's not helped by this enormous adaptation from, I suppose it used to have the amplifier first, to the speaker. Just a few little wires there for the speaker and power. It goes through this monstrous cable of mess to where it joins in. To do it properly, I should just tidy it up from there, I suppose, really, and put a new bit on. But if it works, I'll leave it as it is. A good thing to do is lots of cable ties to start while you're there, to sort of tidy up the cabling, to make it look a bit, you can see where things are going where and what they do. There's some little relays that sit up in here, just up here, which can clash and get a little bit bent up. But 3 of them, I don't know, I haven't looked at what they do, but you definitely need to remove those, get things out. They just sort of clip on this bit of metal here, on here. The fan itself is relatively simple to change over. It's just these clips that hold the sort of blower system in, and it sort of splits in half. But you have to watch the heater matrix. As with all of this, they seem to come with 2 short cables, so you've got to extend it with that classic sort of thing. So I've used add on the original wires, so it'll reach as far as it needs to go to get to the controls. I have tested it on a 12-volt battery. It's definitely going, which is, so I want to make sure on before I put it back. I'm now about to put the blower back in. It didn't come out easy even from that side, so imagine going it in is not going to be too much fun either, but I'll advise how that goes. Overall, not too bad. It's just something you have to take the whole centre console. Hopefully you remember how to go back together again. I've got quite a lot of junk to put back in place. We'll have to see.